Hello students, in today's video we are going to solve a next question number 15. So take out your notebook and practice with me for your better understanding. In today's video we will solve the class 9th mathematics. We are solving chapter number 2 polynomials, exercise 2.5 and our question number 15. So let us begin with the topic. So we have to solve question number 15. In question number 15, give possible expression for the length and breadth of each of the following rectangles in which their area are given. So what we have to find in this question, we have to find the length and breadth of the rectangle. We are already provided with the area of rectangle. So in question number 15, we have two subpart. Subpart first is area of rectangle, which is given 25a square minus 35a plus 12, and expression 2 is area of rectangle is 35y square plus 13y minus 12. So let us find the solution of first subpart. The subpart first is area 25a square minus 35a plus 12. So how do we solve this? If you look at the expression, you will find that the expressions, the highest value of variable is 2. When the highest value of a variable is 2 in a polynomial, you will call it as quadratic polynomials. So in exercise 4.2, we already have solved the factorization of quadratic polynomials. So we will apply the similar method here. We will split the middle term and we'll get the answer. So we are choosing here the splitting of middle term method. And splitting of middle term method, we have to find a number whose sum is minus 35a and product must be 25 into 12, which give you 300. We have to multiply this to this and to find a number that can, when we add that number we get this, and when we multiply that number we get the multiplication of these two numbers. So we can factorize these 300. If we factorize 300, we find that we first of all we try to, when we divide it into 2, we get 150. Divide 150 by 2, we get 75, which can not further be divided. So we try some other number. Let us try 3. Yes, we can divide it by 3. So what we get? We get 25. But 25 cannot be divided by 3. So we try 4. We cannot divide it by 4. So we try 5. Yes, we can divide it by 5. And we get 5. 5 cannot be divided further. So these are the factors. So we will find the different combination of factor to get our number. Let us try 2 into 5. We get 20. And what we left with, we have used this and this. We are left with 3 and 5, so we will get 15. Now add this number, this becomes 35. So condition is fulfilled, and if we multiply 20 by 15 we get 300. So second condition is also fulfilled, but there is one difference. We have minus 35. So if we add minus here and also minus here, we will get 20 minus plus 20, 15 minus, we get minus 35. And when we multiply minus 20 with minus 35 we get 300. It means, because minus when multiplied by minus get converted to positive, so we get 300. So our condition is fulfilled. So we will split this 35 into 20 and 15. So let us proceed. So we get the number 15 and 20 as I already told you. So 25a square minus 35a plus 12 give rise to 25a square minus 15 minus 20a plus 12. We splitted this term with 15a minus 20 minus 12, 15a minus 20a. If we add this number we get this. So there is no difference between this and this. Now factorize this. How we can factorize? We factorize these two terms and these two terms. If we look at here, 25 and 15 comes in the table of 5. So we will take 5 as a common. Here a is also present, a is also present here, so we can take a as common. So what we get? We get 5a into 5a minus 3 and 4. We take 4 as common here. 4 into 5a minus 3. Why we take 4 as common? Because in 20 and 12 we get comes in the table of 4. So we can take 4 common, but we cannot take a because here a is not present. So we are left with, if we multiply 4 into 5 we get 20 and 4a 20a minus, we have taken minus here. Why? Because if we multiply minus 4 with minus plus 3 we get minus 12, but our expression is in positive form, so we have to change this sign to minus, so that when we multiply minus to minus we get positive 12. So factorize this. Take these two terms together. These terms are similar, so we take the common. What we get? We get 5a minus 4, this is a one factor, and 5a minus 3 is another factor. If you look at the area of rectangle, you will find that area of rectangle is length into breadth, and it is similar with this. There is a length and there is nothing between them, there is a product, so we get length into breadth. So the possible expression for the length is 5a minus 4, and possible expression for the breadth is 5a minus 3. This is the answer of first subpart. Try to solve the second subpart by yourself. So pause the video and try to find the solution of second subpart. To check the solution of second subpart, let us start with the second subpart. In second subpart, the area of rectangle is given. The area of rectangle is 13y square plus 13y minus 12. So we have to find the length and breadth of the rectangle. So we will use similar method what we have applied in the first subpart. We have to split the middle term. We have to find a number that will on addition we will get 13y, and whose product must be 4 13 into minus 35 into minus 12, which gives rise to 420. We have to multiply this with this. What we get? We get 420. So factorize this 420 and get the possible number that on addition give minus 13. Sorry, here is a minus 13, and whose product must be 420. So by factorization method and by applying some common sense, we get two numbers minus 15 and and 20 as a number that when added give rise to minus 15 plus 20 give rise 30, and minus 15 into 20 give rise to 420. So rewrite the equation. We will get 35y square plus 13y minus 12 is equal to 13y square minus 15y plus 28y minus 12. So if we add this 25 in 15 into 28, we get 13y. Rest of the term is similar, so this is equal to this. There is no difference. We can write this. So let us make the factor by taking these two terms together and these two terms together. What we have to do, we have to take common. Let us see that 35 and 15 comes in the 5 table, so we will take 5 as a common. And what else we can take common? We can take y as a common because both the term has y. So we take 5y here common, and let us see, we have 28 in fourth table of 4 and 12 also in the table of 4, so we can take 4 common from here. We cannot take y because 12 don't have y, so let us solve. We get 5y into 7y minus 3 plus 4 7y minus 3. So what we get, if we multiply 7 into 5, we get 35, and multiplication of 5 into 3y 5y into 3 give rise to 15y, and similarly this become equal to this. So this term and this term is similar, so we will take this term common and make a factor. We will get 5y and 4y, 5y plus 4y and 7y minus 3y. This is the length and this is the breadth. So we are able to solve the question. So the possible breadth length is 5y plus 4, and the possible breadth is 7y minus 3. This is the answer of the question number 15. Hope you will be able to solve this question and find it helpful. So this is the end of our video. We shall meet in some next video. Thank you.